That's awesome. Can you tell us a little bit more specifically about like the effects of quagga mussels? Like I know it's going to be similar
Sure.
to zebra, but
Right, so zebra mussels and quagga mussels are close cousins, but there are a couple of differences. You can tell them apart. The simplest way to tell apart a zebra mussel and a quagga mussel is to put it down on a flat surface. And if it doesn't topple over, it's probably a zebra mussel, and if it topples over easily, it's probably a quagga mussel. So why is it important? Why are there two different names? Why are they two different species? Well, it turns out that the zebra mussels are what we call a pioneer species. They're the first ones to invade. They're able to establish themselves in a new environment that never had zebra mussels before. They like warmer water. They need a lot of food. But later on, when the food resources have been depleted by the zebra mussels, the quagga mussels are just a little bit more efficient. They're able to live in a little bit colder water. So they're actually able to replace largely the zebra mussels and become the dominant species over time. So really, when we talk about the zebra mussels in Lake Erie, we're largely now talking about quagga mussels that are just a little bit more efficient. They're able to get by on a little less food, and they're able to live in the deeper and colder waters of the lake. So really, the zebra mussels are just limited to the warm shoreline areas of Lake Erie, whereas the quagga mussels are most of the dryacinid, which is the genus Dryacina, that both of these mussels are within taxonomically. They're the dominant dryacinid mussel throughout most of Lake Erie and the other Great Lakes.